Yeah, still Wednesday, 29th of October. I'm going to reseal my gearbox. To do that, I got to get the wheels and tires off, amongst other things. The wheels have the original coil type roll pins. They go through that hole down there. Anything, we'll just take a punch and drive them out. That wasn't happening. What I ended up doing was getting my oxygen acetylene rig with a small brazing tip, running the flame down the ID of the roll pin, and start whacking on it. This thing's been soaking in PB Blaster for several days. That didn't do much. You can't really see it on this roll pin. You got your split pin, and it's got a single split in it. And then you got your coil type roll pins. The coil types are a lot stronger, hard to get in, hard to get out. This was the coil type. Now then, this roll pin is no good. I had put heat on it, so I took all the tension out of the spring, so it has no springiness left. And I might go with some type of hitch pin versus a roll pin on these axles. This is just the first part. Second part's going to be getting that wheel and tire off. That's supposed to be a bear too. But at least I got the first pin out. Only took an hour. Really. When I was whacking on the pin with my pin punch, I did jack up the machine so I wasn't bouncing on the tire. Kind of defeats the purpose. You whack it pretty good, all you're doing is bouncing on the rubber. Don't work too good. But yeah, pin's out. So I'll figure out if I want to tackle that second one today, or maybe do that tomorrow. Now that I know the procedure, it should go smoother on the second one. Hopefully. That's my plan. We shall see. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.